Hey YouTubians, it's Tony here from wetryanything, the channel that loves to try anything so you don't have to. What we're having a look at today is a website which we think would be absolutely ideal for what is happening right at this minute, which is Black Friday. And the website that we're going to have a little look at is a website called Hot UK. Let me just type it in Google, Hot UK DALS, Hot UK Deals. And basically, we've been using this website for years, and it's saved us so much money in the long run in looking for all kinds of deals that have been posted by people online. But we'll just quickly go through, and it might, even if it saves you a couple of quid over the next couple of days, then it's all fantastic. So what you got here is the main page of the Hot UK Deals website, and what it does, or the main motivator of this website, is that what you get people who log onto this website in terms of they're registered, and what they do, as you can see up there, and what they do is they submit deals that they have seen online, offline, bricks and mortar stores like Argos or like Tesco's and like places like that. And then what they do, they put the deals on here, and as you can see, what's scrolling down, I mean, I haven't actually clicked, I've clicked on all highlights has come up at the minute. But as you can see scrolling down, that you get all kinds of deals from all kinds of places, really, what people have seen or what they've found or what's been posted online. Now, you've got various sections where you've got the highlights of what's been uploaded to the website. You've also got the hot, or what would be considered hot, all manner of items on the website, new and discussed. Now, not discussed as in horrible, but discussed. Now, what I tend to do, I just quickly nip onto the deals part, and then I click on new, and I see what's coming up or what's happening at the minute. And as it's kind of Black Friday tomorrow, or this is the eve of Black Friday, as it were, me posting this, there's just so many things that you can see. I mean, it's like it's come alive as such. People just posting offers on offers, or anything that they've seen on any website that they've used, or any kind of shop that they visited in the past 24 hours. Now, what you can see here, I mean, I'm just scrolling down here, there's all kinds of technology deals or all kinds of offers for trainers and stuff like that. The Black Friday sale from Aussie Bum, whoever they are. I'm just trying to see if I can find a one that's kind of applicable, really. Here, which you'll see, which is the one for an Xbox One S 1TB 2 controller bundle, and it's £159 at Tesco in-store. So if we tap on that, just to get more idea of the deal that's happening at the minute, there's a bit of a description going on here of what's the offer, or what the offer has been found by the person who's or by the user of this website. So in this instance, you can get an Xbox. They've got an Xbox One S with 2 controllers, and they paid £159 in store. Now, as this isn't a deal that's not kind of happening until tomorrow, it's quite good for trying to get that insider information. And as you scroll down, as you can see, they've got the receipt to prove it. Because what you will get is you will get people going, well, prove it, show a receipt and stuff like that. And the users do tend to do that just to prove that you can be saving some money. And this one is a great offer. But the other thing I wanted to show you with the deals as well is that if you found a deal on, say, let's scroll down, something that you'll probably find online. Right, let's just carry on scrolling down. So, for example, okay, so here we have one from Argos. So it's for a Sega Ultimate Portable Game Player console with 85 games, and it's $39.99 at Argos. So they've seen it the first week in October from 59 to 39. It's gone back up to 59, and now today it's at 39. And the beauty of this website is that if you click on the Get Deal, someone's taken the trouble of kind of linking where you can get it from online. So you can just go to Ads Trolley, and then you benefit from that cost. And again, if you wanted to read the reviews, they're all there. And this is the actual Argos website that it kind of forwards you to. And I just think it's phenomenal in the way it works and the way it saves you money. So, it's great. The other great sections are, you've got voucher codes, which are for the likes of Forever, Adidas, Beauty and stuff like that, which you can click on the code and visit the site. There's also a freebies section where if you click on the hot or the new or what's been discussed by people, it's another, great great part of the site where you can look at what people are saying about certain offers and deals that they've found. Also, you know, just random stuff that they're located. Heading back to the deals, I forgot to go through the point of, in the deals section, you've also got, as well as the new, you've also got the hot, which people are voting on. Yes, this website, you can vote on the deal. So if you've logged in or registered, you can actually say whether a deal is hot or not. So if it's like Apple deals tend to get cold because of how much Apple charges people for their technology. But then there's offers like, Morrison's, it gets 310 degrees. So it's kind of upvoted. So if you clicked on a hot deal or you clicked on the hot element there, you will see what's the hottest deals at the minute now, or one of the hottest recent deals at the minute that's been voted hot. But I would imagine, like, for example, that Xbox deal will go right to the top. Additional to that, you have this menu section here, which has got, for example, like a forum of what people are looking for, so, or any offers or any issues that they've got with what they found or what they're having issues with, as it were. So, for example, cheapest way of getting a PS4 on Black Friday. I mean, I'm told that PS4, there will be some good deals happening at Tesco's tomorrow. I'm not sure. But here you got people saying, like, steal it, no cost at all. Obviously, we don't support that, but, you do get all kinds of people on it. You also have a competition section, which you can have a look at, which has all sorts of free competitions to enter. You just got to scroll down, click on one, follow what you've got to do, and then you're off. And then finally, you have a miscellaneous section, which has got all promo codes and stuff like that for one use, where you can redeem the offers and stuff. As a website, I think it's well worth visiting and having a little scan through and see what's going on. But also, they do an app on iOS and Android, which is a phenomenal way of just looking, having a little scan through the deals when you got 5 or 10 minutes. But on Black Friday, this website has just been phenomenal. And as I say, I've already kind of taken advantage of one of the offers and I've saved £100 in doing it. But on the flip side, you will probably find that you might end up spending more just for the pure fact of how much you're saving. So again, it's a great website for deals and offers, and it's a fantastic website when it's Black Friday or January sales or Prime Day or anything that's coming up, that where people have found offers and deals online. I hope you've enjoyed the little quick video that we've just done of Hot UK deals, and please drop a comment in the section below, of anything that you found with Hot UK deals or any other websites that do offer this sort of thing. I mean, I know there's another one called Offer of the Day, but it's not as comprehensive as this site. And if you like what you see, then please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel for more further updates. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.